Today, extensive demands are placed on the working environment and safety of industrial operations, and most companies have well-developed safety practices and policies to create safe workplaces. Now, it's possible to lift safety to the next level with digital technology that integrates with existing safety systems. Meet Testbed POSTECH Demonstrating real-time workforce safety powered by Mobilaris Industrial Intelligence. By using high-precision network infrastructure provided by Ericsson Research indoor positioning technology, communicating with tag devices and geofences that are located on personnel, equipment and vehicles, industries are now able to automate and dramatically increase workforce safety. The system has been demonstrated in the industrial testbed POSTECH positioning technology for the heavy manufacturing industry. Located at Swearim's pilot plant facility in Luleå, the testbed offers an open environment available for industry and research organizations to test new solutions for real-time workforce safety. Positioning data is sent to a central data hub, processed in real time and returned to the application without delay. In this case, data processing has been performed in Hungary, 2,000 kilometers from the test facility, and the setup offers high scalability for enterprises with global presence. All personnel in the facility carry tags visualized as anonymous icons in the system's interface. Fixed and moving equipment are covered by geofences, defining appropriate safety zones. Any presence of gas or smoke is monitored by sensors that interact with the system. Personnel and vehicles are provided with tags that indicate if any hazardous object is nearby, with light, noise or vibration. Of course, real-time workforce safety also provides excellent support whenever there's a reason for total evacuation of the plant. All personnel, inside or outside the safety zone, can receive emergency alerts with, for example, text messages. All events are recorded in an incident log, which will be the basis for follow-up and help to identify previously unknown risks. This solution has been developed and piloted in the POSTECH testbed based on positioning infrastructure from Ericsson and decision support platform from Mobilaris Industrial Intelligence by Swearim, Mobilaris Industrial Solutions and Ericsson. Supported by Production 2030.